guys, welcome back to another video. Please excuse that I'm wearing the same jumper. I've been painting all day, so I just threw this on before the video, but I realised that I'm actually wearing the same jumper in my last video, but it is my new jumper, so that's why I'm like loving it at the moment. Anyway, today's video is going to be announcing my new moulds. So they've all arrived. I wanted to launch them all together because I didn't want there to be like one arriving like a week later or anything like that. I wanted to have them all when I launch. So we're going to be launching on Sunday at 12 and all the molds will be available from then. I would do it sooner because I do have them all, but I've got to write all the listings for them. So I've done all the promo photos, all of that, they just haven't been released yet. But I'm going to start releasing those over the next 2 days, and I'm just really busy redecorating my rooms. So I'm currently in the office, so this is almost done. I've got all the furniture in here, I just need to put stuff away, so I can't show you the rest of it yet. And then upstairs I've been painting, so my hands are just like covered in pink paint because we went for a pink wall in the back, which again I'm really excited to show you. So that'll be in the renovation vlogs, which were going to go up today, but I haven't finished, so that's why it's like taking me a little bit longer than expected. So I thought that I would announce all my molds so that you guys get to see them all in kind of video rather than just photos, and then I can show you all the different ones that I have. So I'm very, very excited. I've got all the prices here, so I'm going to be telling you prices but whilst I'm actually showing you the molds. So we're going to get right into it. I'm super excited and I hope you guys are too. In regards to merch, I am almost finished. I want to have like 5-6 designs. I've got 3 and it won't take me very long because I know what I'm doing with the other designs, so I just need to finish them, which I'm hoping that because I'm almost done this evening, I can then finish some of them this evening and over the weekend, and then that means that on Tuesday next week, Tuesday to Wednesday, yeah, Tuesday and Wednesday I have nothing on, so I'm planning to maybe try out some of the printing on the merch, and then once I've got all the promos done, then hopefully by like next weekend I might have an idea of when I can launch. So it might be that I launch a few bits next weekend and then the weekend after, or I wait and release it all at the same time and it'll be the weekend after, so basically 2 weeks from now. But yeah, it is definitely in the pipeline, so don't worry about that. I know people have been excited about the merch, so it is coming very, very soon. I just want to make sure that all the designs are like perfect and I've had enough time to do them all. And I've been so busy, especially since I decided to move my office and my bedroom around, which has just given me even more to do. So yeah, that is all coming as well. So we're going to get right into it. I'm going to show you all the molds. So I've got 9 things here to show you. We're going to start with the molds. They're all in wrappers, so please excuse me whilst I like unpackage them, because I don't think I'm going to be sending them in these plastic containers because they'll be going in tissue paper. So I will unwrap them all when I actually post them. So this is the first one. This reminds me of Twister lollies, and this is a 4-piece mold, and it's going to be called the Twister, and it's a popsicle mold. So you put the little cake pop stick in there and then you make cake pops using it. So this one is going to be £8. I've got all the prices on my iPad, so that's why I'm looking down. But yeah, this one's going to be £8. It's got 4 in it, which is really nice because it gives you an option to make more in it. And then there is one that's got 3 in it, but I prefer the ones that have as many as possible because then it means that you can make them all at the same time, put them in the freezer at the same time, fridge, etc. So this is the first one. Then we have the gem mold, this one, because it just reminds me of like little diamonds. So this is what this one looks like. So this one is also £8 and you get 6 in this. These are obviously, they're still cake pops, but they're not popsicles. So yeah, you get 6 in there. And most of these are in set colours, so like most of them are either white, or this one is the only one that's like a kind of bold colour. There is one which is in 2 colours, so it will be available in 2 different colours on the website, which means that you can either buy a pink one or a brown one depending on your preference, but all of the others are like set colours. So Then we have the Geo mould. I absolutely love this one. This is probably my favourite, and I've been looking for this for so long. It's so hard to get hold of, but this is the Geo one. So you can't really see it from this side, but there will be promo photos all on my Instagram, so if you go and follow that, then you'll be able to see, and also on the website. But this one, it gives as if it's kind of like shards of glass. That's what it reminds me of. I absolutely love it. And again, it's a popsicle mould, so you can put the lolly sticks in there, and it just looks so cool. So this is a 4 cavity one, so this one can obviously fit 4 at once. Some of them only fit 3, but this one fits 4. So again, I love that one. So the Geo popsicle is £9 because they are larger than the others. So this one is larger than this one, as you can see, so you can fit more in them. These are the mini twisters. I'm considering, because I do have an option to get a larger mould, so I'm just considering whether I would want to get one, but at the moment we're just stocking the mini ones. So those are those 3. Then this is the one where we have 2 colours. So this is the heart mould. This is also £8. Although they're smaller, you get multiple cavities in it, so as you can see, it's just as big as the £8 moulds, but it's the actual hearts are smaller, but the actual mould is the same size. So there's this one, and they've got a cute little dimple in them. They look so pretty on cakes. This weekend in the live, I'm going to be using a lot of these because I've got a cake and I've got free reign on it. So we're going to be using the hearts, we're going to be using little chocolate bars, and we're also going to be using some numbers. So I'll show you those in a minute. And then we've also got it in pink. I love the pink so much. I think the pink is really, really cute. I'm definitely keeping a pink for myself. My one, I haven't actually chosen of these little ones. I haven't chosen mine yet. I've only taken one of the popsicle moulds so far because I'm not doing promo photos for these. I've done photos of the actual moulds, but I'm not doing promos of the actual chocolates made for these, but I will be uploading the photo of the cake on the website once I've done that. But yeah, so I will get to use these this weekend in the live, so I can show you what I'm doing with them. So yeah, like I said, these are £8. Then we have this is the bubble mould. So this one looks like so, and it's like an abstract bubble. I absolutely love this one. It's really nice in like marble prints. So in some of the promo shots, I did this in pink and white marble, and it was really, really nice. And this one comes with a cover. Not all of them do, it's just that some of them come as like standard, and then some of them it's like an extra. So yeah, this one comes as standard with the cover, which means that when it's in the freezer, you can just put this cover on and then it stops anything falling in there. Alternatively, you can just cover them in cling film. So yeah, this one is really cute, and this is like a violet kind of colour. But yeah, so this one is £8 and it's a 3 cavity, but because they're larger, it works out that it's the same price as like the twisters because they're little mini ones. But yeah, I absolutely love this one as well. Then we have a couple of smaller ones. So these ones are what I'm going to be using on the cake this weekend. So we've got these number moulds. So these are perfect from cakes. You can use them on like brownies. If you're doing like brownie slabs and it's for like a birthday, then you can use these. I'm going to be using them on a cake. It's a 21st birthday cake. It's the 21st birthday cake, and I'm going to be using the 2 and the 1, and I'm going to be doing them either in like white, and I might put glitter all over them, and I'm going to be sticking them on top of the cake in the buttercream, and I can't wait because I think they're going to look so cute. But yeah, these are really, really good for cakes, because if someone doesn't want a topper, then you can add this on there, and it just adds that age if it's like a big birthday and they want it on there. So it just makes it look a bit more special. So I absolutely love this. I cannot wait to try this out. So the last of the kind of like group moulds, I guess, is this chocolate bar one. Again, I'm going to be using this at the weekend. So they're little shallow chocolate bars, but they look really nice on cakes. They also look really nice on cupcakes. These are such a nice cupcake topper, and you can literally do them in any colour. So yeah, I absolutely love this design, and that is a 12 cavity one. So it's got 12 little chocolate bars, so you can make them all at the same time, or you can just make a few at a time. So the little chocolate bars is £6 because they're a little bit smaller and they're not like a cake pop, so you don't fill them with anything. Then we have these ones. I haven't decided yet whether they're going to be a regular. So these are little butterfly moulds. I really like these from Cakes and Cupcakes. So you can either put fondant in it or you can put chocolate in it, and it's got 3 different sizes. It's just of some little butterflies, and I really like this design, but I don't know if other people are going to use it enough, because it's something where you might use it sometimes on cakes but not necessarily every time. So yeah, these ones I'm not sure if I'm going to be stocking every single time. See how these do, and then if they're really popular then I'll keep them on the website, and if they're not then I might reduce the stock on them. But there's already quite a few other molds that I've got my eye on, but I didn't want to have too many because I love having quite a range in stock, because then it gives people more to choose from. But then I also didn't want to have too many different ones, so we're gonna stick with the 9 products at the moment, and then there's a couple that I really like which I do want to add to the list, so I'll do those in the future once I've kind of got the ground running with these. But at the moment it's just going to be these 9 being restocked each time. So those are the last like actual moulds, and these are going to be £4.50 because they're quite small. They're just little ones, but they're perfect for fondant. And then the last thing is these spatulas. So my one's in the kitchen, so I'm just going to take it out so you can see it. But they're all-in-one spatulas. So these are what I use for chocolate. They're perfect because they're all in one, so there's no kind of like seams. So I also have I have like 20 spatulas. I keep buying them, and I've got ones where they kind of like split here and then it's wooden, but the problem is you get water in there and chocolate gets in there, and then it's really hard to clean. Whereas this, especially when you're melting chocolate or you're doing cake pops, anything like that, because it's a little bit smaller than the standard size, it's like a mini one, so it's perfect for when you're melting chocolate, mixing it. But I just love that it's easy to clean, it's all in one, because the ones that have the split down the middle here and then they come apart, it means that when you're mixing sometimes the top can come off if you're not careful. So this just means that you don't have to worry. But I'm planning to stock some bigger ones as well, which can be used for buttercream, but at the moment these are going to be the standard ones on the site, and obviously they're pink because I absolutely love pink. But yeah, so those are the last ones, and they're going to be £4, and then the bigger ones will probably be around £6, but I'll kind of confirm that once I've got those stocked. But at the moment, for the next like at least month or so, it will be just these chocolate ones. So, and then they come in a little sealed bag like that. I have got, these are actually for some kind of like build your own cupcake boxes. So I'm going to be doing some decorate your owns, and it means that in the summer holidays and in the school holidays, kids can decorate cupcakes with their parents or whoever they want to. So I got some nozzles which I'm going to be adding into the box, because I think that cakes always look really nice when they're decorated with a piping nozzle in the buttercream opposed to just cutting a hole. So I thought that for the sake of adding £1 or 2 onto their box, I would actually just include a nozzle and it would be reusable. Obviously if I was to stock these separately then they'd be slightly more expensive, because those are given at a discount because they're put in another like treat box. But I am planning to actually stock these because this is one of my favourites. This is a 2D, which is perfect for roses, and I've got quite a few here because they're all for my treat boxes which I'm going to be doing. I'm going to have about 30 available locally, and I'm going to do that for each. I'm going to do that for Easter, and then I'm also going to do it for the May holiday and then the 6 weeks holiday. So I just need to get all my promos out for that as well because I haven't had time. But yeah, nozzles are definitely something that I quite like to stock, but I only want to stock the ones that I use regularly, which is the 8B, which is the star one, which I absolutely love, the 2D and the 1M. Those are my absolute favourites. I don't think I use any other nozzles, so I think those are the only ones that I'd probably stock. Those are going to be on the website in the next 2 days. It's currently Friday when this is going up, and they're going to be live on Sunday. I need to do all the listings, which I'm going to be doing tomorrow. I've got a cake to do tomorrow, so that's why I can't make it any earlier, because I'm just too busy. But yeah, I'm hoping that I can get some of it organised this evening, and then it will be ready for Sunday. But make sure that you go and check out my website just so that you're familiar with it. There will be a section added on there for silicone moulds, and it will be underneath the merchandise and products, and then you can just find it through there. But I will be announcing it on my Instagram once they're actually live, so if you go and follow that, then you'll get notified once they actually go live on the website. And I'll probably announce it in my YouTube live. I'm going live tomorrow to do the cake, and I'm also going live on Sunday because I've got another cake to do. So we've got 2 lives this weekend. That's why I'm doing a little video this evening, because the 2 lives are going to take up a lot of time. They'll probably be like 2-3 hours as usual, so you'll get to see me decorating the cakes. Tomorrow's is very, very exciting. It's going to be really, really cool. I've got free reign on tomorrow's cake, so it's a pink drip cake and I can basically do whatever I want, so that will be very interesting to see how that turns out. And then the one on Sunday is a simple 4-inch cake, and it's like an ombre scallop effect, but that one I've got more of a like set theme with it, whereas tomorrow's is like more free reign, so we'll get to try out a lot of different things. So I'm very, very excited for that. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow for the live. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for 3.3k. like, it is absolutely crazy. So yeah, I just wanted to say a big thank you to everyone that watches my videos, everyone that likes my photos on Instagram and all my reels, and like follows my TikTok, because I really, really appreciate it, and it's really nice that you guys are so supportive, and I get such lovely comments from you guys saying that I've helped you. So I'm hoping that I can help you even more over the next however many months, years, whatever. But yeah, I'm just so thankful that we're like growing so quickly. Like each month it's like 500 new people each month are subscribing, so thank you so much, because it means the world. So yeah, I am very excited. I'm going to be doing a giveaway when I get to 5k, so that'll be in the next few months, and I'm thinking that I'm going to do a little kind of like what the channel members get, where it's like a gift, but I'm going to do a little gift box, so it will be just a mix of cake related things and like business stuff. So that'll be all in one box, and then it will just be a little gift sent out to the winner. So I'll be doing that when I get to 5k. So yeah, that's super exciting as well. I can't wait to do that. So yeah, I am going to leave you guys. I need to upload this video, so this will be going up this evening, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you tomorrow and Sunday for all the lives. Make sure you hit the bell if you want to be notified when I go live. I'm planning to do it around 6 p.m, but obviously things can change, so if you hit the bell, then you'll be notified once I schedule it, which will be like a little appointment that I make for the live. So yeah, if you want to be notified, then hit that bell, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!